What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we're checking out some pretty cool tech that you can pick up for around $100, and a big shout out to Amazon for sponsoring this video. First up, we are checking out the iDevices outdoor switch. And this thing is pretty cool because it's a set of connected outlets that you can control from your phone, but it does also work with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. And on top of all that, it's also weatherproof, so like the name says, you can use it outdoors. It's got a pretty rugged metal design and it's completely sealed against rain and the outdoor elements and things like that. Now the downside is that you can't control each outlet individually. It's all or nothing, but if you have like patio lights hanging up or you wanna put some Christmas lights outside, things like that, it is perfect for, and it's wall mountable, and overall it's pretty great. So coming up next, we have some smart tech for your pets. Yes, it's pretty cool. This is the PetWant Smart Feeder, and while the name is a little weird, it's pretty awesome if you have small dogs or cats. I loaded it up with some Hill's Science Diet dog food for my dog Zelda, and it worked great. And actually, the reservoir that holds the food will hold at least up to a week of this Hill's Science Diet food that I have with the small bits. It's actually pretty nice. So once you have everything set up and running, you can program it to feed out 6 portions per day on a specific schedule, or you can have it all at once, anything you'd like. The whole thing is pretty easily set up, but unfortunately it does only support 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks, so keep that in mind if you plan on picking one of these up. But seriously, to be able to feed my dog remotely or program scheduled like dinner times and just have the food roll out automatically is pretty awesome. And speaking of dog food, like I said, I partnered with Amazon, and this Hill's Science Diet dog food is on my Father's Day gift guide, which you can find linked below. I mean, this stuff is pretty awesome, and I know I'm not gonna go on too long about dog food, but it has all natural ingredients, there's vitamins, minerals, amino acids, it's easily digestible, it's really great food for any dog out there. And, you know, if you can't figure out what to get dad for Father's Day, get something for his fur baby, right? I mean, this thing is awesome, and the smaller bites from the Hill's Science Diet dog food actually fit perfectly in the smart feeder, so it all worked out for me. Next up, we are talking about some more smart home integration and automation. So this is Bond. This thing is actually a pretty cool device that will allow you to control your fans in the house, like ceiling fans, with your voice or through an app. So it's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and what you do is you actually program your fans remote to Bond, and then you can have it show up within the app, enable the Alexa skill or Google Assistant, and be on your way. It's pretty awesome because I can just walk in the door and tell Alexa to turn on the living room fan or the living room fan light, and boom, it works. The app could definitely use some work in my opinion, but I prefer voice control anyway, and this is compatible with radio frequency or infrared, so whichever kind of device that you have, it'll work. And the company behind this is expanding it to work with a lot of other devices, and right now they do have fireplaces in beta, so if you have a fireplace with a remote control, you can control it with your voice using this little device. Finally, we have some extra juice from Rav Power. So this is a portable battery bank, right? Well, it's not just that actually, it's also a wireless charger. So it's called the Portable Wireless Charger, and it's pretty cool because, well, it has a 7.5 watt output from the wireless charging pad, and you can simultaneously charge something from the USB port as well, and you got 10,400 milliamp hours of power built in. There's not much else to say about a portable battery bank, but if you want to check this out or anything else that I've mentioned in this video, I will leave links down below for you in the description. Be sure to check out my Father's Day gift guide and the previous video that I made on that stuff using the link below. But be sure to let me know what your favorite tech that I mentioned is in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this in the future, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.